reuse ko to create a new product. So we are a sustainable brand. So this is helps in the environment, and this is the scrunchie. So ayan siya, 60 pesos. So ganyan siya. And then, meron naman dito, ito naman parang leopard print na may brownish and pink. Tapos ito parang purple. So, brownish pink purple. So, ayun yung scrunchie. 60 pesos lang siya. Yan, tignan nyo na yung design. And then, meron naman dito isa pa. So, ganito. Yan. Stripes and yan.